Oh, damn.
And then,
a little green.
It's like the
yeah,
Ghost
there's the
Rider.
copper's going now. Yeah, so they're all
Copper.
going.
What's this one? Magnesium? Is the red one magnesium?
Yes, I smell the
No,
cancer.
the rainbow.
This red one
Yeah.
is strontium.
Which one's magnesium?
This is lithium, strontium, none of magnesium.
Oh, you should try magnesium. It gets a nice purple.
This is sodium, this is potassium, and this is copper.
All right. I'm not
I
gonna remember
lick
that.
it.
And then what we can do
I like
is
that.
over here,
That one's cute.
we're just gonna add
Can I put my hand in the
a
fire?
bunch
Hold
of
up.
this over here.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is gonna work very well.
It's hot.
Oh, what are you doing?
So this is magnesium nitrate.
Oh, that's the fun stuff. Don't burst into
Come
flames.
on. The
Hurry up,
video's
hurry
gonna
up.
end.
Hurry up,
God
hurry up,
damn it.
babe, it's dead.
That's
Well, there
my
goes
big
my
one.
video.
Just wait. Don't put it in yet. Don't put it in yet. I wanna get this on camera. This is gonna go down in history. Okay, ready? Go.
Save it.
Some
I'm
of
doing it again.
So if I can get
1 second.
some of this, let's see if this will do what I want. Yeah, it's not gonna do what I want it to do.
The flame is
Do a little
real
more.
long.
No, it's supposed to, if I just light it on fire, you'll see what color it
Light it
turns.
on fire. You'll see.
No, it doesn't really work. That's why I didn't do this one in the past.
Oh,
No, that's from the other one, that red.
I like the copper one. It's pretty.
This is
Wait,
supposed
what?
to be really
This is
wide.
from like the Goblet of Fire or whatever.
Oh, you've seen it before. I
Yeah,
remember
that-
it.
so the goblet of fire's made out of
Can I
copper.
touch it?
Huh.
Flames are famous.
So that's kind of cool.
Flame is
So
metal.